Yeah, welcome back, viewers. Thank you for liking this page or following this page. Now, okay, before we solve this question that we have here, I need to pass a message across. I mean, you that you are seeing this video now. This message is for you. You may not need this video. You don't need to skip it. But if you can share this video, someone in or amidst among your friends need it. Some students are preparing for exams. No, we are in season of exam where students are preparing for exam, and many students did not have the opportunity to attend tutorial. There are some less privileged students that do not have the opportunity to afford to pay for tutorial, but they still have access to mobile phone. So if you can share this video, you don't know whom you are helping. Because if you don't need it, someone else on your timeline or on your friend list might need it. Just please help someone to succeed in their exam they are preparing for by sharing this video. Just click on share. Just share it, and the person that needs it will get it. Thank you very much. I mean, you press the share button now and like this video, so the person that needs it will get it. Thank you very much. Now, the question says, if 6 combination R divided by 6 permutation R equals to 1/6, find the value of R. Now, let's continue. From our knowledge of permutation and combination, so we have 6 combination R divided by 6 permutation R equals to 1/6. Let's cross multiply. So we have 6 into 6 combination R equals to 6 permutation R. Now, so this is, don't forget, from our knowledge of combination, we know that n combination R equals to n factorial over n minus R factorial R factorial. So from our knowledge of combination, while our permutation is n permutation R equals to n factorial divided by n minus R factorial. Are we getting it? Please don't mind the noise. Just focus on what you want to get. Please don't mind the noise. Yes, where I'm recording this video is very close to the roadside, so don't allow the noise to distract you. Let's focus on the question. So now, I'm getting the formula for combination, and this is the formula for permutation from combination and permutation knowledge. And if you want me to upload a full class on permutation and combination, just drop it in the comments below. I will upload it. I have the lesson prepared already, but if you want it, I will upload it, or if I upload it, I can share the link to you. So just comment below. Now, so let's continue. 6 into, what's our n? Our n is 6. 6 factorial over 6 minus R factorial R factorial. That's our combination. Equals to what? 6 factorial divided by 6 minus R factorial. Now, I think we are getting it. So let's continue from this. Same thing as 6 times 6 factorial. I mean, I'm solving for this now. Divided by 6 minus R factorial, which is equals to what? 6 factorial divided by 6 minus R factorial. I'm just managing this space. So let's continue from here. Now this is equals to what? If you cross multiply from this and this, now no, this will match to this and this will be matched to this. So by cross multiply, we have 6 minus R factorial multiplied by 6 times 6 factorial equals to this to this. 6 factorial into 6 minus R factorial. Are we together? Now 6 minus R factorial will cancel 6 minus R factorial. 6 factorial will cancel 6 factorial. So we know that we have only 6 equals to r factorial. So 6 equals to what? R factorial. Now recall from our knowledge of per factorial. 3 factorial equals to 6. Do we remember? Yes, let's continue for that. So we have 3 factorial equals to r factorial. So factorial will cancel factorial, r equals to 3. Do we get it now? So it's very simple. Our r is what? Our r is 3. Thank you very much. Don't forget the message I said. Share it. If you did not need this video, just share it now. Thank you.